In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use these things called jag clamps. So what they are for a string line, right? So these are like the easiest things in the world to use. I use them for block, brick, forming concrete, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm forming concrete. So a lot of times, people have different ways of doing this, right? They could put a stake on the inside of your form and run a string along it, but this makes it so much easier to run anything, and it's faster. And like, if you're doing block, a line bone or anything, you got to wrap it all up. These are really cool. All you got to do is put the line through the clamp, right? And there's a little divot for your string line in the clamp right there. So you put that in there, and all you got to do is wrap that around one time, right? And you can put it right on your form, right on your block wall, whatever you are doing, right? I'm forming, so we're doing that. Get that string out of there. We can go to the other side. So I got both sides set like you would normally. Put this around it, and all you got to do is just pull it tight, like you're just pull it. Okay, when it sits on there, okay, pull it tight. All you gotta do is hook it in there and you're good to go. It saves so much time. You don't gotta wrap it around. You don't gotta do your line bone and wrap it around and tie it, whatever. You just clamp it and put it in this hole and it is good to go. I have a link in the description below. I am an affiliate, like Amazon partner thing, so I will get some money for it, just a little bit, like $1 or something, if you do buy these from that link. Really appreciate it if you would. So if you're interested in using these and speeding up your jobs just a couple seconds and making it easier, go buy these jag clamps. Thanks for watching.